Watch this video to learn how to arrange an appointment for collecting your items. First, log into your urBin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Appointments section by clicking on it in the navigation bar. Click the Create button on the top right. And click on the Appointment Type drop-down. And select Pickup from the drop-down options. Tap on the Appointment Date field to choose a date that works best for you. Pick the window of time that works best for you. Pick your address. You can specify whether the pickup will be made via stairs or elevator. Choose the payment option that suits you best. Please click the Next button located at the bottom right corner. Choose the items you want to be collected. Press the Next button to continue. Verify the details of your appointment. And check the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Create button to finalize the appointment. There you have it. Your pickup is now scheduled.